welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm, but let me first introduce myself. My name is Ashley. I enjoy doing anything beauty related, makeup, get ready with me's, declutters, pretty much anything that has to do with makeup or skincare or body care or hair care, anything like that I love. So that's basically what my channel is. And of course unboxing videos, because I do do subscription boxes. And this is the first month for Boxycharm. So, oop, I'm gonna spill it. Here is my box. I was a Boxycharm subscriber probably 4 or 5 years ago for quite a long time, like 2 years maybe. Whatever the time is, it's been quite a few years since I did it, but I did it for a long time. And I just got out of doing these for quite a few years and just came back and decided to sign back up with Boxycharm because I really want the Boxy premium box, and you have to get this box, and I thought, well, I'll sign up for it. Anyways, long story for nothing. I did, and I'm excited. I really like this box. I did see online that most people were very upset, and I don't know why, but again, I'm new. It's kind of like the Ipsy Ultimate. I'm new this month, so I don't know. I'm not upset. Anyways, let's get started. I don't think there's a theme. It mentions the premium, but there must not be a theme. So let's just jump in. First, I did receive a gift. So if you signed up during this month, you received a Tarte palette. The palette that I received is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, which luckily I do not own, and is the one that I would have chosen had I gotten to pick. But you get some nice face contours. I would assume they're contours. Oh good, I'm so glad there's the princess one, because I have like it in every palette. And then a bunch of eyeshadows. So I'm excited to try this. I think this is great. I got it for free. This can run, should I look? I don't know if can you still buy that? Let me look. So you can still get this on the Sephora website for 45 bucks, and I got it for free. So that is pretty dang cool for only paying 21 bucks. I don't know if you get shipping or taxes. I'm not sure about that. I do know that it is going up to 25, or did it go to 25 already? I don't know. It's 21 or 25, but I know for sure November will be 25. So, okay. The first thing in my actual real box is the Dose of Color palette. I got the Sassy Siennas. This I am also very excited to try. I have not ever used Dose of Color shadows, so this will be a new experience. Let me open it. Oh, it is so pretty. It has like terracotta colors, which are perfect. You do get a little brush. Should I swatch a couple? Let me swatch a couple. I'll swatch almost all of them. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Those three look like the same color, but they're not. I don't know if my lighting is just off. But so pretty. This one's more orange, more brown. Oh, this one's like a lighter version of that one. So pretty. Oh dang it, I got it all over my pants. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have this. I wanted to try these. I was actually gonna buy the, is it Snow Child one? I believe it came out last Christmas. I could be off, but whenever that came out, I was gonna buy it, and then someone talked me out of it. And so I never picked one of these up. And I've always wanted to try the mauves one, but I'm happy to have that one. I think these colors will be great. So, all right, the next thing in my box is the Iconic London Prep Set Glow. So it looks like this. I believe you're supposed to shake it. Wait, it's not coming off the bottle. Oh, there, wait. I can't get it off the bottle. Oh, now it's going. Okay, I shook it up. So it looks as such. I'm actually gonna do it with you guys right now because I've done my makeup, but I haven't actually done a setting spray. A hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. Sorry, this retailed for $32 and this is $29. So let me, oof. Okay, so the smell is like a makeup smell, like the grandma makeup smell, which is fine. It does remind, it just took me to my grandma. Huh, I wonder why it smells like that. Interesting. I'll definitely use it. I don't know if it did anything. Did it make me look glowy? I don't know. You let me know if you see a difference. All right, the next thing in my box is by Hank and Henry. This is Slick With It Mascara Duo, and I don't know anything about this company, but yeah. So you'll have to let me know if you've used it. This retails for $19, which is a lot when I've never heard of it. Not that it, oh my heck, I swear it's my son's location on his phone. I need to turn it off. Okay. So one side for volume and length on the top, and the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. So I do like lower lash mascara. I have the Clinique one. I haven't had it in a while, but I did like that when I did have it. So that'll be good. And that retails for $19 if I didn't say. The next thing in my box is this Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner in black, which I am so happy it's in black and not a extreme color. I will actually use this. I don't want to open it because I feel like if I open it and then close it and then I don't use it for a while, it leaks. I don't know why. But this retails for $22. It says it can last for 24 hours. I don't know who wears these for 24 hours, but okay. And no skipping, tugging, flaking, or smudging. Sweat, humidity, and transfer resistant. I might really like that. I've been kind of, I don't buy the Kat Von D one anymore. Not for any reason. I mean, it kind of started out that way and then I just haven't bought her stuff. But I do like her tattoo liner. And I haven't found really a good replacement for that. So maybe this would be, or I can go back to that one. I don't know, we won't get into that. Anyways, that is, oh no, I have one more thing. So the last thing in my box is kind of for me. It's by Cella. It's slanted tip tweezers, which I don't use tweezers really for anything. I'm sure my husband probably could use these. I feel like he's always pulling splinters out of my kids' feet and hands. So from our deck, we obviously need to redo it. So it comes in a little pouch. I mean, they're very, very nice. Like they're heavy duty type. If these can be heavy duty. Anyways, they're nice, just not a product that I will get any use out of. So it's kind of a bum product for me, but it was worth 20 bucks, which again, I would just go buy the cheap ones at Walmart or Target and not spend 20 bucks on tweezers, but maybe they're magical, who knows. Well, that is everything in my box. So I think it's a great month. I'm very excited with everything I got. Nothing arrived broken, which is always good. So the 5 products I got, I mean, really besides the tweezers, I'm gonna use and try all of these. And then with the $45 free palette, I mean, how can I not love that? I mean, free stuff's always nice. So anyways, that is everything in my palette. That is everything in my Boxycharm, my first time back to this box. Let me know if you get it and what you got that was different, or what made you happy or mad. I'd be curious to know, like, maybe I don't know something bad about these products. I don't know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.